Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create elegant old money outfits in Berry Avenue. So if you want to dress like you belong to high society with an effortlessly classy and timeless look, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create elegant old money outfits in Berry Avenue. So here you can just follow my steps or follow the one that I'm going to show you. So first, let's just go to the avatar. Here I'm going to go with the hair first. Let's remove this one. You can find the chic, sorry, straight here and find the color that you want, but I'm going to go with this caramel color, and then you can combine it with this bob and beyond. Using the same color. I think it's different. Let's try this one. Okay, now for the hair is done, you can just go with the clothing. Click on clothing in here, and then you can find under the shirt category, find, let's remove this first. You can find coffee top. Hit on enter. Okay, I'm going to use this one right here. I think I'm going to go with the first one. Okay, this one's right here. And for the pants, you can go to the equip and import this ID right here. So 18991075157. Click on add. Okay, so for the pants, you can combine it with, you can go to pants and combine it with 2000s cute fluffy fur. Let's use this one right here, for example. Or you can also go with the color that you think match with the outfits. And now you can also add some accessories. Of course, you can go to clothing again, and in here, for example, I'm going to add some white pearl necklace. Okay, just choose which one. This one is headband. You can always change to the one that you want. You can also add a ribbon, belt like, or everything. You can tap on done, and that's it. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.